Hi everyone, welcome back again. Today I'll be showing you how to make Masoor Amti. This is a Marathi style recipe. This is a very flavorful and spicy sprouted Masoor curry. Let me show you how. Come on. Here I have taken whole Masoor or red lentils. Wash these a couple of times to clean them. Add room temperature water and allow these to hydrate, preferably overnight. These have doubled in size and are ready to be sprouted. Transfer these into a colander and keep covered in a warm place for a day or until fully sprouted. These have beautifully sprouted and ready to use. Perfect. For the masala paste, I am using fried onions which we use for biryani. This is fresh grated coconut which I will dry roast until lightly golden. Add this to the blender jar along with the fried onions. Now the next ingredients are going to enhance the curry flavor. Just a little water to make a thick paste. This is the perfect consistency. Keep it aside. Let's start with the curry. The detailed recipe is in the description box below with all the measurements. Also check out the related video links that I have posted just for you. Saute the onions until lightly golden. We will cook the masala paste for a couple of minutes until the raw flavor goes off. This is kanda lasun masala, or you can even use kolhapuri masala. Add more if you like spicy. Mix and cook for a few seconds. Now we will add the sprouted masoor and mix. These look so good, don't they? Always add hot water. We will let this boil and then cover and cook completely. It doesn't take much time for the lentils to cook. Wow, this is lovely. Let's check if these are cooked. Perfect. The ghee is going to take the curry another level up in flavor. Kokum will give a light tang to the curry. We will cover and cook just for 5 minutes for the flavors to integrate. Garnish and we are ready to serve this awesome curry with steamed rice or rotis. Beautiful. Thanks for watching. Now the best part about this curry is you have to just sprout them. The rest of the ingredients are all what you have at home in your pantry. So I hope you like this recipe. If yes, then as usual, give it a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye.